Types of doctors: Doctor of Heart, Cardiologist; Doctor of Bone, Orthopedic; Doctor of Child, Pediatricians; Doctor of Kidney, Nephrologist; Doctor of Skin, Dermatologist; Doctor of Eyes, Ophthalmologist; Doctor of Teeth, Dentist; Doctor of Surgery, Surgeons; Doctor of Cancers, Oncologist; Doctor of Mind, Psychiatrist; Doctor of Liver, Hepatologist; Doctor of Women, Gynecologist; Doctor of Stomach, Gastroenterologist; Doctor of Brain, Neurologist; Doctor of Ears, Audiologist. Thank you for watching.